Hey, what's happening, my YouTube friends? It's Richard coming to you from Cairns, Australia. And I apologize for my voice, but I just finished the Tony Robbins Date with Destiny. Life will never be the same. I will film a video on that, but what I wanted to share with you right here, right now, is something that I think is really important, and I hear a lot about it in our Facebook group, and it's true. And it's that there is more competition in Airbnb. There's more competitors today. More hosts have come online versus yesterday, and more the day before, and so on. So yes, it is a competitive space and the competition is increasing. Expect that to continue. Like from now until the future, at some point, call it 3 years from now, or maybe it's 5 years from now, we reach a saturation point. And what will happen is the week will start to close down and then it will no longer be quite as competitive. But competition is the reality. Competition is like happening, it's here to stay. There's nothing we can do about it except improve. And that's the point of today's video. What does competition do for us? It forces us to be better. We must improve. We must outperform our competitors. If the guy next door or below you or across the street opens up, good. Why is that good? Because now we're going to take our skills, our hosting skills, our marketing skills, our sales skills, our hospitality skills. We're taking them all to the next level. We no longer have the luxury of being, relaxed and lackadaisical and laid back and just hanging out with all this money coming in. Now we actually have to improve. We have to improve ourselves. We have to grow ourselves. That's why I was at the Tony Robbins Date with Destiny. I personally am growing. I'm taking my game to the next level. I want to help you to the next level. So what I need is for you to take your own business to the next level. Hold yourself accountable. Take the next steps. Learn online marketing. Spend time on Airbnb. Monitor the competition. Don't get freaked out by the competition. Don't lower your prices because there's competitors. I want you to increase your prices. Why? Because you're now delivering more value. You're delivering better hospitality. You've got better ratings, and you are like the people that everyone else fears. So the point of this video is to motivate you to change your mindset away from scarcity. Competition is bad. I have to lower my prices. I'm not going to make as much money. I can't do this. I'm not good enough. To abundance. Bring it, friends. Bring the competition. You know why? Because I am the owner of this location. I own this zip code. I own this block. I own this neighborhood. I own this cul-de-sac. Whatever it is. And you know what? You may not be there today, but with the proper encouragement and coaching and mindset, you're going to start to pay attention. You're going to start to learn marketing. You're going to start to learn sales skills. You're going to start to have dynamic pricing involved. You're going to take better photos and better titles. You'll do A/B testing and change your copy, and you're going to take your business seriously, and you're going to grow. And you can thank competition for that. So do you fear it? No. Boo. Do you cheer it? Yes! I hope you like this video. Please comment below. Let me know your thoughts. And in the meantime, there's incredible stuff happening here in Cairns, Australia. In fact, tomorrow, I'm off to the Great Barrier Reef. Bucket list item, crossing that thing off, 20 dives, can't wait. Life is great, and I want you to change your mindset so that you're not operating from scarcity and competition is bad, but rather bring it, friends. Throw me what you got, because I'm going higher to the moon, friends. Thank you.